In this video, we are going to see how we can delete or clear the chat history in ChatGPT. So whether you will want to do it for a specific chat or whether you want to clear all the chats in ChatGPT, here's how you can do it. First of all, let's say that we want to delete a specific chat history. All we do is just hover over that chat, and next to this is this three dots. From here we will choose delete and we will confirm by deleting it. But what if we want to remove all the chats from here? For that, we will head over to the bottom left hand corner and click on the profile icon, head over to the settings, and we will choose the data controls from here. Click on that, and here it says delete all chats. So if you're sure about this, that you want to clear all the chats altogether, click on delete all, and it says clear your chat history. Are you sure? This will delete all chats including chat in projects. To clear any memories from your chat, visit your settings. So if you want to confirm this deletion, click on confirm, close out of here, and you will notice that all of the chats are now removed. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.